Hey, what's going on everyone? My name's Alex and welcome back to the garage. So last time you guys know we were working on the vert and actually getting the interior out of it, which we were actually successful in doing, but I might have gotten a little carried away. Let me show you. You can see the dashes right here, which I still need to pop and swap the stuff, but if you move around here, you can tell that there's an empty hole there, which leads down in, the inside. And as you can see, I kind of got the whole chassis harness off and out of the car. I still have this one laying here, but yeah, I already took off the ECU side and actually rewrapped it, which I can show you guys really fast. Here it is. It has an ECU plug and basically all the power plugs. But you guys saw how the other one looked. All I did was rewrap it in some electrical tape. And now I can actually throw this in the coupe. And then I can also work on putting the dash back in the coupe after I put this harness in it. And then once I get the other side of the harness wrapped, I can actually put that side in too. And then after that, it's mainly just working on getting the 4.6 out the rest of the way and actually swapping it over. But there's a lot of work that engine needs before I can actually put it in the car, so.
I like to get paid, that's why I work every day. I'll be making money till I'm in my grave. Don't care what they say, I'll buy time with my money. Laughing to the bank cause it's funny. The money keep coming, I manifest it. Sing these lyrics and you'll get it. I'm the bank, come invest it. I get tracked and I have it. Money finds me attractive. I'm the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I work for this shit. I'm usually modest, but this beat lit, so I'm going off thoughtless, talking my shit. Yeah, I'ma be the hottest designer in drip. I'm just coming with the rawness. I gotta admit that I'm usually modest, but I work hard for my shit. I'll do the work, yeah, I'll do it till it hurts. I'll invest in my future, I'll invest in the purse. I wanna be so rich, life changes, and I don't ever think about how much I just pay it. Yeah, it's the dream, the American dream. Live on top, don't stop till you got everything. But there's balance, cause this life is a challenge. You gotta live in the now while building up the challenge. I'm the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I work for this shit. I'm usually modest, but this beat lit, so I'm going off thoughtless, talking my shit. Yeah, I'ma be the hottest designer in drip. I'm just coming with the rawness. I gotta admit that I'm usually modest, but I work hard for my shit. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. So keep working till it's hurting, cause that's when you start deserving everything you want, everything you need. Trust the process, yeah, you got this. Keep on working till you bleed. Yeah, I've been there, yeah, I've done that. 10 long years of breaking my back, but now I'm up here, never looking back. I got more dreams that I wanna go attack. Keep on going, keep on moving, never give up. I'll keep going, I can prove just what I'm made of. I got that fire in me, got that desire in me. I'm never tired, I'll be pushing till I'm finally free. I was made to break away from the pack, to challenge, to fight, and to carve my own path. This world wasn't made for the weak, they don't last. Survival of the fittest, so be vicious and attack. I'm the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I work for this shit. I'm usually modest, but this beat lit, so I'm going off thoughtless, talking my shit. Yeah, I'ma be the hottest designer in drip. I'm just coming with the rawness. I gotta admit that I'm usually modest, but I work hard for my shit. Let's go, it's time to be the GOAT. It's time to enter God mode, man, let's get it going. I wanna be the greatest, energy is overflowing. I know I'm stoking the fire, my desire's taking over, Not tired, I'm inspired, rewired. I know just what is required. My brain knows how to decipher the messages. Looking brighter, already paid up the fight, but my game is getting much tighter. I feel my body on fire. Now it's game time. All the practice to prepare for this main time. I could do anything, that's my baseline. Go ahead and do you, I'ma make mine. You gon' read me in the headlines. Always go up, I don't know a decline. On the glow up, getting better with time. Yeah, I'm about to hit my prime. The air is filled up with suspense. We've got our dreams we must defend. And we know what we represent. So we'll keep fighting till the end. And we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. And we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. I hope you're ready for battle, you better get on the saddle. We got some demons to tackle, yeah. We bout to put on a show. These haters don't even know they're in too deep like a hole. And they about to find out what it means when you enter into my house. How it feels when you always seem to strike out. Cause I don't lose, no I win, I go all out. The air is filled up with suspense. We've got our dreams we must defend. Represent. So we'll keep fighting till the end. And we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. And we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. They can feel the storm, it's coming. They can hear the drum beat thumping. Off in the distance, we're the resistance. They gon' be the one who's running. They can feel the storm, it's coming. They can hear the drum beat thumping. Off in the distance, we're the resistance. They gon' be the one who's running. They can feel the storm, it's coming. They can hear the drum beat thumping. Off in the distance, we're the resistance. They gon' be the one who's running. They can feel the storm, it's coming. They can hear the drum beat thumping. Off in the distance, we're the resistance. They gon' be the one who's running.
That is all of the engine harness, well, chassis side harness, all wrapped. So now it's ready to actually go in the car, which is amazing. And I can actually do that tomorrow because right now it is like 11:40. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Ready to throw it in now. So it's the next day, and I want to go ahead and get the power harness in the car because, I mean, there's no point in it just sitting here, right? Which would also allow me to put in the dash, but I realized if I put in the dash, it's just going to make it a lot harder when I go to actually put in the engine, to actually put the clutch cable and the brakes in. So I'm probably going to wait a while to actually put the dash in, but I can go ahead and throw the harness in and get the ECU plugged in as well. And just like that, it is back in on this side. ECU's in, plugged in. These plugs are for the dash, so I'm not worried about it. Not worried about them. And then if you come around here, it is all laying right here. It needs to be zip tied up and all that, but yeah, it's sitting there, so it's definitely a good step. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key lost on how this goes because I don't know. I'll have to look back and see if I have a video to figure it out. But, yeah. Not looking too good. And I believe the ABS plug is different, so I might have to swap that as well. Which I really didn't want to do, but I mean, it is what it is, I guess. So, I'm gonna figure this out. So, I was kind of just being dumb. All I needed to do was actually put, like, the MAF plug and this stuff through this hole instead of trying to run it through here. And I know this isn't how the fan plug goes, but I'm hoping to be able to route it behind the fender and stuff to hopefully clean it up a little bit, but I don't know if it'll work. If not, oh well. But yeah, this side's in right now, so that's good. I gotta get the mount for this plug to actually mount it right there, but yeah, it's coming along. I mean, I can put in the other harness, but I mean, that's just a lot, and I'm losing daylight because I started really late, but yeah, that's some good progress. wiring is now officially in the car. But I still need to get the engine swapped over, which I need to finish actually pulling out. And as you can see, I really haven't touched it. I did get the strut bar off. The drive shaft is also out, which is over there. And I also got the oil pump ordered, the oil pan gasket, and a short throw shifter ordered as well because it was on sale. And I managed that because I actually went and sold the cats off of this and off of the V6 engine, which is over there. But yeah. So now I really just need to get a clutch kit and front rear main and also the timing set. And that should be good to throw this engine back in the car. But of course, first I have to finish removing this, which I really don't have much left. I have the AC lines, which are trash, K-member bolts, and then I gotta disconnect the hydro boost for the brakes as well, and I think that's about it. But with all that being said, that's why I'm gonna leave it off for today, because I need to start cracking on this thing a little more and waiting for those parts to get in as well. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. See ya.